Stop buying potato chips. Seriously, what if I told you the crunchiest, most addictive snack you'll ever eat is hiding in your freezer right now, and you can make it in under 5 minutes? Forget potatoes, we're talking about lumpia wrappers. Yes, the same wrappers you use for spring rolls. We're about to turn them into the most incredible lumpia chips you've ever had. And the best part? We're using an air fryer, so they're healthier, lower in calories, and did I mention the crunch? Just listen to this. First things first, grab a pack of lumpia wrappers, also known as spring roll wrappers. You can find these in the frozen section of most Asian markets or even your local supermarket. Let them thaw for about 15 to 20 minutes on the counter. You don't want them completely soft and sticky, just pliable enough to work with. Once they're thawed, peel off a few sheets. I like to work with a stack of about 5 to 10 at a time. It makes the cutting process way faster. Lay the stack on a cutting board and grab a sharp knife or a pizza cutter. A pizza cutter is actually my secret weapon here. It glides through the wrappers so easily. We're going to slice them into whatever shape you want your chips to be. I love making triangles, just like classic tortilla chips. So, I'll cut the square stack in half diagonally, then cut those halves in half again. You'll end up with a big pile of perfectly uniform triangles. It's so satisfying. You could also do strips, squares, or even use cookie cutters for fun shapes if you're feeling fancy. Now for the magic. We need to give these wrappers a little bit of fat so they get that beautiful, bubbly, chicharrone-like texture. You have a few options here. You can lightly brush them with oil, but my favorite method is to use a spray oil. It gives you a super light, even coating. Just place your wrapper triangles in a large bowl. Give them a quick spray of avocado oil or olive oil, and toss them gently with your hands to make sure every single piece is lightly coated. You barely need any, just enough to help them crisp up and get golden. Don't drench them, or they'll get greasy instead of crispy. A little goes a long way. Alright, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 200 Celsius. This is important. You want it nice and hot so the wrappers puff up instantly. Once it's preheated, place a single layer of the oiled wrappers in the air fryer basket. Do not overcrowd the basket. This is the #1 rule of air frying. If you stack them up, they'll just steam and you won't get that ultimate crunch. Work in batches if you have to. It's worth it. Now, pop the basket in an air fry for just 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not kidding, it's that fast. Keep a close eye on them, because they can go from perfectly golden to burnt in a matter of seconds. Around the 1-minute mark, I like to give the basket a good shake to make sure they are cooking evenly and not sticking. You'll see them start to bubble and puff up. It's amazing to watch. When they're light golden brown and beautifully blistered, they're done. Take them out and let them cool on a wire rack. They'll get even crispier as they cool down. Just listen to that sound. It's pure ASMR. Okay, now for the fun part. The seasonings. We're doing 2 versions today, one sweet and one savory, so you can satisfy any craving. Let's start with the savory. While the chips are still warm from the air fryer, we're making a garlic parmesan dust that is out of this world. In a small bowl, mix together some grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, a pinch of onion powder, a little bit of dried parsley for color, and a tiny dash of salt. The Parmesan is already salty, so don't go overboard. As soon as a fresh batch of chips comes out of the air fryer, dump them into a large bowl, sprinkle that glorious garlic parm mixture all over them, and toss, toss, toss. The residual heat and oil on the chips will help the seasoning stick perfectly. The smell alone is just intoxicating. It's like the best garlic bread you've ever had, but in chip form. Now for my sweet tooth friends, we're making something truly special. Yub sugar. Yub is a purple yam from the Philippines with a beautiful, vibrant color and a unique flavor. It's kind of like a nutty vanilla. We're going to use yub powder, which you can find online or at Asian grocery stores. In a bowl, just mix together some granulated sugar with a spoonful of yub powder. The ratio is up to you, but I like a pretty intense yub flavor. Just like with the savory version, as soon as the warm lumpia chips are ready, toss them in the yub sugar. They'll get coated in this stunning, vibrant purple dust that tastes as magical as it looks. It's sweet, a little earthy, and completely unique. It's a total game changer for movie night. And that's it. In just minutes, you have 2 incredible, gourmet-level snacks made from one simple ingredient. You have the savory, cheesy, garlicky goodness of the Parmesan chips and the sweet, whimsical magic of the Yube sugar chips. They are so light, so airy, and the crunch is just on another level. Plus, they're much higher in protein and lower in calories than your average potato chip. Think of all the possibilities. You could do a cinnamon sugar version, a spicy chili lime, everything bagel seasoning. The list goes on. This is one of those food hacks that will completely change your snack game. It's perfect for parties, for a late night craving, or for when you just want something crunchy without the guilt. So next time you're at the grocery store, do yourself a favor and pick up a pack of Lumpia wrappers. You will not regret it. Stop buying those boring old potato chips and make these instead. Trust me, you'll be obsessed. What flavor would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this recipe and want to see more air fryer hacks and easy snack ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Give this video a thumbs up if you're going to try making lumpia chips. We'll see you in the next one. Happy snacking!